Alrighty, my man finally opened the door for me. Yes, sir. See, T-Lady, that's what we doing. Shocks on the Escalade. My mom says, that's why you take so long, because you be recording too much. I said, man, this stuff easy. I only record once. I don't do double takes. So on the lay, we're going to be doing front struts. Hopefully they're quick struts. Yes, sir. Take the wheel off underneath the hood. Got a couple bolts. We'll show you what's up there. Got 3 bolts up here. 19s. Hit this to drill. This one. So I got these 2 screws off. Be their 15s. I'm gonna drop the sway bar in link. 14s. So what we're going to do now, we're gonna add this resistor to bypass the shock sensor. Just sitting right here. So we're gonna plug each side in, both sides of this resistor. It's gonna look like this.